our application which we are using to create a logo, which is called Corel Draw. I want to create this logo. The process in creating this logo is as follows. Number one, I create an ellipse tool. I use the ellipse tool, and then I create an ellipse. Then I want to type this digital Ukey. I click here and type the digital Ukey with the help of the text tool. Okay, after I'm done, then can I edit or format the text to my own choice. Okay, as soon as I'm done, then I want to get this asterisk that is here. Click on it, type the asterisk, that is Shift and 8. I'll get it. Then I can expand, I can increase it. Then I may need to change the font to have something more meaningful. Okay, or I may leave it the way it is. Okay, let's assume I have something like that. Then the next thing, I want to type this one under here, unlocking your digital skill. Then the same text tool again, and then type it, unlocking your digital skills. Alright, I'm done with that. Then the next thing I need to do here is I want to bring an object inside. But before then, I need to create another small circle inside. Right, I apply Shift and the arrow key to shrink it inside to have these two circles, the big and the small one. Okay, now I'm done with this. Then I want to transfer this object. This object, I brought it somewhere and I imported it down here. Then I now have to do what? Bring it inside here. Then click inside. Then this other one, I have to bring it inside here. So I can format it, can change the color to my own text or anyhow I wish it to be. Then to change, I have to do the same thing to this other one. I may use red or okay. Let's use something different. Then I have to do what? Right click and drag it inside. Then fix text part and then drag it in here. Okay. Then I can as well use upper here to adjust it to my own. Doesn't give me what I want. So I'm drag in here. Fix text part. Then turn this what I want under. And then I have to mirror it. Okay, I'm done with that. Then I'll now adjust this other one. Carry over here. Drag this other side. Okay, I'm done with this. Then I have to do what? I have to increase the width of this bigger circle. Then I can name the color. I may as well choose to make it to be exactly the same way the other one is by using the same color. See, since this one is more brighter than the other one, so I have to use a lighter color. So something bright. Right, so that's it. After done, okay, this I want red. Then I can make it this one red. So after I'm done, I highlight all of it. Good. So I'm done with the logo. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.